Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CBS exam 2. For question number 49 and 50, there is a common statement, and the statement is a quadratic equation is given by bracket a plus b plus c bracket close x square minus bracket 2a plus 2b bracket close x plus bracket a plus b minus c bracket close is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real and distinct. Question number 49 is, what are the roots of the equation? Option A, 1 comma within bracket a plus b minus c divided by within bracket a plus b plus c. Option B, 1 comma within bracket a minus b plus c divided by within bracket a plus b plus c. Option C, minus 1 within bracket minus a minus b plus c divided by within bracket a plus b plus c. Option D, minus 1 comma within bracket a plus b minus c divided by a plus b plus c within bracket. And question number 50 is, consider the following statement. One of the roots of the equation is always less than 1 if a plus b plus c are all positive. 2. One of the roots of the equation is always negative if a, b and c are all negative. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So here for the first question, or question number 49, we have this quadratic equation. Okay, if we compare this with standard quadratic equation, so for the here the coefficient of x square, or we can say a is a plus b plus c, and b is 2a plus 2b, and c is a plus b minus c. So here this is your b, or we can say minus 2a plus 2b. So using formula for finding out root, that is minus b plus minus b root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here b is minus 2a plus 2b, so minus b is your 2a plus 2b, and b square will be your 2a plus 2b whole square, 4, and a will be your a plus b plus c, and c will be your a plus b minus c divided by 2a is this. Okay, so solving this will be 2a plus 2b, and this will be plus minus. If we solve this using a plus b whole square formula, that will be 4a square plus 4b square plus 8ab, and if we solve this, we will get minus 4 bracket a square plus ab plus ac plus ba plus b square minus plus bc minus ac minus bc minus c square. If we solve whole equation within root, then we will get 4c square. Okay, so it will be 2a plus 2b plus minus root 4c square divided by 2 into within bracket a plus b plus c, or we can take one root as plus and second root as minus. So if we take one root as plus, so the numerator and denominator will cancel out, it will be 1, and if we take minus, then it will be a plus b minus c divided by a plus b plus c. So answer is option A. Okay, now for question number 49, answer is A, and for question number 50, the first statement is, one of the roots of the equation is always less than 1 if a, b and c are all positive. If you take a, b and c all positive, then this numerator will be less than denominator. So it will be less than 1, because in numerator a plus b minus c is there, which will be less than a plus b plus c, so it will be less than 1. Okay, so first statement is correct, but second statement is not correct. That is, one of the roots of the equation is always negative if a plus b and c all are negative. If all of these are negative, okay, then if we consider the magnitude of C and the magnitude of A and B, if this magnitude is less than A plus B, then we'll have negative term, because this will be plus and this will be your negative. Okay, so it will not be less than, all will not be negative. So if it is